Verifine triple safety pen needles are designed to protect healthcare professionals from accidental needle stick injuries before, during, and after injection. Before injection, the needle of patient end is covered. After injection, once the needle exits the skin, the clear shield will automatically cover the needle of patient end. And the needle of cartridge end will be protected upon the pen is separated from the pen needle. Let's see how to properly use Verifine triple safety pen needles. Clean the rubber seal on the pen per your protocol. Tear off the tab from the pen needle. Holding the outer cover, push and twist the pen onto the pen needle in a clockwise direction until secure. Do not over-twist. Never withdraw the pen once it's pushed into the needle. Doing so will activate the safety mechanism on the cartridge end. Do not attach the needle at an angle. Dial 2 units, point the pen up, then press the button to prime the pen needle and the pen. A drop or stream of liquid should appear at the needle tip. If it does not, please follow the priming instructions recommended by the pen manufacturer. If the pen still does not prime, use a new pen needle. Always prime the pen before injection to ensure the flow in pen needles. The liquid caused by priming may fall back into the shield, which may lead to the excess liquid being left on the skin after injection. Horizontally pull the outer cover out. Before injection, confirm that no red band is visible on the purple shield. A visible red band, which called safety indicator, means the safety mechanism has been activated. Do not use the activated safety insulin pen needle, otherwise, the insulin won't be injected into the body. Prepare your injection site with an alcohol pad. Dial the prescribed dose. Use different injection techniques based on needle lengths. For 4 mm and 5 mm needle lengths, insert the needle into the skin at a 90-degree angle. While for 6 mm and 8 mm needle lengths, pinch the skin with your thumb, index finger, and middle finger, taking care not to lift the underlying muscle. Then insert the needle into the skin at a 90-degree angle. Do not inject at an angle. Please insert the needle into the skin in one continuous motion until the white sleeve can't move forward, or you feel resistance. Please make sure that the needle is fully pressed. Otherwise, the inserted needle length will be less than the nominal length, which may cause medication leakage and dosage error. Maintain constant pressure against the skin and deliver the dose by pressing the button with your thumb. Hold the injection for at least 10 seconds before withdrawing the needle. After injection, lift the pen straight away from the skin. Once the needle exits the skin, the clear shield will automatically cover the needle. Meanwhile, you will hear a click, and the safety indicator will appear, confirming that the safety mechanism has been successfully activated. Hold the white sleeve and twist the pen counterclockwise to remove it. The cartridge end is protected once the pen is separated from the pen needle. Do not hold the inner shield while twisting the pen. Dispose of the used needle in an appropriate sharps container. Promisemed, professional manufacturer for premium healthcare products.